Is that what rain boots are for? Huh, Maddie? Oh, goodness! You're gonna get wet. Awesome. Are you done splashing or are you going back for more? Huh? Are you going back for more or are you done? Are you done splashing? Maddie, are you done splashing? You ready to walk some more? You ready to walk some more with Mama? Come on. No more splashing.